How to fix the DoorDash app not working on iPhone. Looking for a way to fix the DoorDash app if it's not working properly on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you a few settings you can check and a simple way to refresh the app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Use the search bar at the top and look for DoorDash. Tap on DoorDash and make sure location is set to Always. Also check that background app refresh and cellular data are enabled. Once you've checked those settings, go back to the main settings page and use the search bar to find iPhone storage. Open it, then scroll through your apps or sort them alphabetically until you find DoorDash. Tap on it to open the app's storage settings. Now select Offload App. This removes the app while keeping its documents and data on your iPhone. After the app has been offloaded, the button will change to Reinstall App. Tap on it to reinstall DoorDash. Once the app is reinstalled, open it again and check if the problem has been resolved. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps gets the DoorDash app working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.